Let's have a little more fun with oscilloscopes. I've got my my Prox card reader here, which these things work by emitting a radio signal which is able to power the chip on the card, and then the chip on the card couples itself in such a way that it draws more or less power out of the signal, and then it can be measured by this device. But the point is that there is a radio signal coming out of here, and if you attach the probe to its own ground lead here, you can make a sort of crude antenna. And I was kind of wondering, would it be possible to pick up and measure that radio signal using just this technique? And so it turns out, in fact, yes, as I move my little antenna closer to the transmitter, we can see that we have a fairly good signal here now. Just to set a trigger near the top of this waveform so that we catch the rising edge. And that cleans it up quite a bit. And if we really want it to look clean, I guess we can go in and change our acquisition mode to average. So now we're averaging 8 samples, and gosh, that looks pretty. So I guess the next question is, what's the frequency, Kenneth? And so we can just go into measurement mode here and select time, and I'm interested in frequency, and the scope tells us right there, 125 kilohertz. In fact, as it turns out, no surprise, 125 kilohertz is the frequency of this particular reader. So I just thought that was kind of neat. I haven't had this thing very long, but maybe these are kind of obvious things you can do. I was a little surprised that it was that easy. Just make a little loop there, stick it in front of the reader, read off the frequency. Boom.